Our app project title is Musical Instrument E-commerce app. We see the abstract. There are many online shopping cart websites and their Android applications available on the internet. These online shopping websites and the Android app run on the single server and share the database. The Android application integrated with the web server to share the resources and the database. There are different types of web servers available for the different purpose in the marketing according to your needs to choose the server customize its service. The Android app that is going to develop have its website build a music in the C-shop e-commerce shopping cart software using and is used the Fire with the Firebase database to store the data. The objective of the project is to develop the online shopping Android app and integrated the app with the music shop e-commerce shopping cart software running on the Firebase server and connect it to the Firebase database and design the GUI of the app as the different devices like phones and tablets. So customers can easily use the app for online shopping on their day. The theme of the app should be attractive and easy to modify by users so the customer gets attracted to use this app for online shopping. However, we are going to improve performance and scalability of web application. We will do the analysis. We will decide the guidelines on for guiding the developed designs of web applications. We will try to put the implemented and maintaining the application level catching with the support to the developers. We see the flow diagram. In this flow diagram, in this app, we have the two models. One is the admin, another one is the users. First of all, in the admin, we have the default login pages. In the login, we have when the correct username and password, when we put the correct username and password, it's open the bar. Otherwise, it's not open. Then there are four options in the admin panel. Then one is the add catalog. Add catalog means if example, uh, if you take the grocery or music instrument, piano or the category on catalog, and but violin is the another catalog. Then you enter the catalog lists of the all catalogs and add the product. Then next add the product. If you add the product like by catalog wise, if you add the catalog wise means you store the product in the catalog below the catalog in the Firebase. Then you view the users details. All if you register in the users, you register in our app by users. Here all the user details are shown in this page in the admin. And then last one is final is order details. In case any users add or some product, you view in the order details. Then go to the users. Users first of all, the register and login. If you enter the register means register and then login. Go to the first of all the catalog are shown in the first page. If you want to go to the catalog price, go to product, and if you want to buy the product and change the address is all the default accesses by this. And view the orders also is all the data. Then we store the database in the Firebase. Next we see the app demo. Then this is the user app. Then this is the admin app. Then first I go to that admin. The user enter admin enter the admin password incorrect means first of all I do the wrong password. If admin enter wrong means you enter the correct username and password. If you enter correct username and password means go to the admin panel. In add catalog, in this place we can add the catalog images. Sorry. Then we upload the catalog. Example, I enter the piano. Then click upload. Successfully upload the catalog. Then go to wired product. In this case, here in the click is getting allow. Again, you click. If I just add the two images for sample, then enter the piano one item description, enter, then we enter the product description, enter the sample, MRP 20,000, selling price 18,000, then we choose the catalog. We enter the last, that's only we enter the piano. Okay, then click to upload. Uploading your data, wait. Your data uploaded successfully. Then go to the user app. In this user, we have that register based new user sign up. I have, okay, I enter the new user. Akash, mobile, bar, Gmail, Akash, 12 at gmail.com. Password is 123456. Then press sign up. Register successfully. Then show all the product. Then we see the last one is our piano. Then I click. Our piano is showing here. The piano image. MRP 20,000. Sales as 18,000. Product description. If you want to buy, just click buy. Then if you want to change, update the address. So click this as icon. Update the address. Enter your friend Akash, door number 5533, street name, Annanahar, area name, Annanahar, pin code 625107, district Madurai, state Tamil Nadu. Mobile number, then going to this update the address. See here. Okay, the address, then confirm the buy. Then if you want to go to order page, then if you want, this is the order page piano. See the total. In this, we also having the admin panel also same orders getting. That's is a piano. Address, delivery address is who order the address. There is a delivery address. Then user list. Our user list. Last user is our hash. Okay. That's all. If you want to log out, just if you want to view the orders in the normal page, my orders, go to the page, log out, then get log out.